This is a double door home freeze, and then I will show you the ice making system. This is the ice making system, and this is still not working. I want to check. Just I will show you. And then there is a mode about this function, about this ice making function. And this is a filter for ice maker. There is so many mode, and chiller mode and freeze mode, refrigerator. There is express mode also. And I want to go to back side. There is I want to check this compressor side, and then what happened? What about this compressor? Because of sometimes the sound coming, and then I want to check it. This is the inlet pipe. I will show you the ice making inlet pipe. This is a
This is a condenser. I think this condenser is full block. Maybe I think for this happening for compressor, maybe the sound coming about this condenser, and maybe overload relay. I don't know. I want to clean and we'll check. Because of this is a condenser is full block, too much dirty. I want to check because of if condenser like that is blocked, meaning pumping less this compressor. But I don't know. I want to check it. Let's get the start. Now I want to make it on this compressor, and I want to check this ampere how much. Now starting ampere is 7.46. Now is the less of ampere, and then I will check it this ampere. Compressor is now working, and then suction discharge is okay. I think I want to check this compressor is normal 8, and then I will check this. This is a charging nipple. This is a close.
But this is a close.
We don't have this here pin. We can charge,
for
but
charging.
it's closed already.
This is already sealed.
And then
This is a filter.
condenser is clean already now.
I will go inside
and
to
this fan
check.
is working. Everything is working. I want to go check inside the freeze. There is alarm coming for filter. I want to make reset.
All light working.
But inside this
inside the 37
temperature is
degree
chiller temperature is 37 degree, and then positive, and this is a refrigerator for 33. And the adjust volume for chiller. This is a full. I want to check it after 10 minutes. This how much temperature coming.
I will check the all function. This working or not working. This side is working, the right side, and left side the ice making one. I want to check this working or not working.
Also working or not working. This ice making system.
Yes,
but it's
from here
working.
also working.
It's nice.
We don't have here water.
There is no
That's why
water.
not coming. Sorry.
I want to fix it.
Huh? Why?
This is a compressor is off.
0.6.
This only pumping. This is a inside compressor only coil is running, but pumping is already off. This is a pumping less, and this fan motor is
The
working.
compressor is
Inside
not
is
working.
everything is working, but compressor
already.
this compressor pumping
know what
is
it
less. I want to check it. This what happened? Why like that? Because of maybe
This
2
is a-
minutes
I think
or
this
1
is a
minute is
fan
working,
motor,
and then is still
ampere.
0.68 ampere.
Working the
Maybe I
condenser
think
fan
this.
motor. And I think
I want to
this
check this
indoor unit.
capacitor and the
want to
relay
check that.
overload. Then again I want to check it. now
this
freeze is
the
working,
final.
and I will check inside the temperature how much
Okay, I will check
and this is
temperature
a refrigerator temperature
Minus
negative
6
6
degree
and
7 degree.
positive 7
This
for
is the
chiller
unit,
temperature,
this chiller side,
and
this,
this before 3
freezer.
hour 4 hour ago I keep it
Before I
inside
keep
the
inside
water,
the
normal water,
water,
and then I will
normal
check
water.
now.
This
Now
ice
I
catching.
think this normal ice,
This is
not a
ice.
strong, but it's
Because,
working.
will
I want to
if
check
the
ampere, how much ampere, and
how
we'll check
much
if the
ampere.
compressor is smoothly working or not working. This ampere, I think 0.78 and 75, 76 is
It's
normal.
and condenser
Ampere.
is clean.
And
Before
condenser,
is full dust.
before the too much
And
dirt
I will
and
change
clean
this
already,
capacitor
it's
relay.
working everything.
This relay all changed. Now it's fine and working everything.
This is the final
Now,
freeze.
This
Yesterday I will make it this freeze,
this freeze
and
is
then,
not working. And
some
there is a,
parts is the
yesterday
problem.
This,
And then
relay
burn.
overload is
I will check inside
not
the
working in
temperature
damage.
and everything.
Also overload is a burn.
This
Then
function
today I
is
will
all
show you
working
the
function.
there is a ice coming or
Ice
not
is
coming.
coming
I want to
already.
check it.
This, I want to check this ice. This,
Wow.
it's coming ice. It's a very strong ice.
This is a strong ice
it's
coming.
not normal. It's a strong ice.
This light also working here.
Again, I want to check it. Working.
And I will check is the inside
I want to open this
temperature.
door and chiller
Wow, very nice.
temperature. It's very nice temperature inside.
And this is a chiller
Now chiller
temperature.
temperature is positive
And
4
this is a freeze
and
temperature,
negative
minus
16
negative
degree
60.
temperature for
This
freeze
is a
side,
positive.
and I want to check it. That freezer.
Yesterday I will keep it inside the water.
Yesterday I will
This-
keep it this
now I
water.
think this
I think this glass
ice-
foam glass
oh
is
my
broke now, and this is a very
Oh my
strong this
goodness.
ice now.
See this
Same
same like
like a
a
stone.
stone. Now is
This is
the
a
inlet
water for
yesterday I
inlet.
will show you that this
Before
water.
yesterday I will
Already
told
I will
you
keep it
this
here.
inlet
This
water.
relay overload.
Then I will keep
This
it inside.
overload is a
This
damage.
compressor.
And
This is a
inside
relay.
burn.
This is a relay problem.
Overload. And we change this
Overload and this relay also.
And this capacitor
This,
is okay,
overload is a
overload.
burn.
That's why we
and,
cannot change this.
not proper catching.
this,
That's why
six-
this capacitor
6
is
C6 UFP.
MFD 6 MFD, but old one is good. This will bring it new
Now-
one, but I cannot
now
fix
it's
because of
working,
old one
and
is
this
good.
now condenser
I will
is,
check the restart
clean,
and normal
and,
time. We'll check
condenser fan
the
is
normal
working,
ampere
everything is working.
and starting ampere
And this
is
water also, this,
normal,
I will show you
and
already. This,
restart
everything
this
is working
normal
now.
ampere
And now,
is now.
almost
Today I want to send this
finally
final
this fix,
this
then
lever.
after-
It's,
Maybe today I want to
good
send
this freeze and good working.
the
This is smoothly
deliver
working and ampere
this freeze.
temperature everything is good now.